Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Okay, so Walmart entered the South African market. They opened their first shop on the 22nd of November 2025, and a couple of days later, on the 28th of November, they opened the second shop. Wow. And this is the third shop, the one we are at now in Boksburg. And this is also the biggest shop to date. So the first one they opened was at the Clearwater Mall. The second one was Four Ways Mall.
I think it's quite a lot of people here.
So it's quite busy.
To go to shopping.
Yes.
Buy all.
So let's go and explore and see if Walmart is worth it. Morning. Good and you. Thank you.
So you can
Let's see what specials they've got.
I should take a story salon.
It's quite busy, yeah?
A lot busy. Okay,
Where do we
one
start?
to start first? Vegetable?
Yes, let's start that side. We'll take it aisle by aisle.
Let's go shopping. Mango, like any kind. The one is 12 rand.
12 rand each.
Yes.
Okay.
Snook, 159.
Corn is 100.
That's not bad.
Good. Very good.
How many grams?
It's 7.
Oh, 700 grams. 100 rand. Yeah, that's not bad.
100 is very good. Power 150.
Yeah, so that's not a bad price.
No.
Anything here that's new? I don't know. What is this? It's water.
It's water.
Yeah.
What is it, this one?
Toxic waste. Okay.
What is
Let's
it?
see. Blue raspberry. Oh, it's like a sour slushy.
Quite expensive. I don't know. It's just for
36 rand each. That's quite expensive.
From where? America?
I guess so, yes.
I never seen that.
Here's another one. Black cherry.
I go to
Popcorn. Chips. This is another one.
not the bank.
Yeah, this is another brand.
Yeah, that's not the bank.
Mm-mm. Yes, there's a Mexican on it.
Yeah.
This is new.
That's new.
I think so. We are on the hunt for new products. $666. Oh, that's quite cheap.
This is a new one.
Oh yes, yeah.
How much?
Dubai.
That one, the
Dubai
one.
chocolate.
229.
How much is it for this one?
229.
228.
29. 230.
230 for that one.
Yeah, 229. Yeah.
How much is it for this one? Look here, it's
What?
46 rand for this.
Yeah.
I found this one for 660.
Wow. Yeah.
These ones are expensive. 93 rand. Huh?
Maybe cold.
Is this for the whole box?
No, for one. I think for one.
That's quite expensive. I can't get it down. That's quite expensive. Let's move from here. This is expensive. No.
How much did you say?
6 rand 66. Let's get more.
Yeah.
This is more on our price range. Let's take a couple. Yeah. Okay, here's another 6.
I'm gonna open one.
Okay.
I'm gonna taste it. How it tastes. Look at. I'm gonna taste it. How it's nice.
Oh, we're eating chocolates now.
Mmm.
By the way, we will pay for this.
Nice.
This one is 10 rand each.
What is it? What is it? This one?
Ginger beer.
Ginger beer.
How much is it? 34 rand.
Are you busy now?
No, we are very busy.
Well, it's Walmart.
It's Walmart. Everybody loves Walmart.
What
There's a
time?
Walmart mood.
What time do you open? What time do you
During the week, we open at 8, and then on weekends 9.
Until what time?
Today we're gonna close at 5. During the week we close at 6.
So 8 to 6 during the week, Monday to Friday, and then Saturdays and Sunday, 8 to...
No, not on Saturdays. Only on Sundays.
Only on Sundays.
Yeah.
Sundays is 8 o'clock until 5 o'clock. Perfect. Thank you so much.
But after 5 o'clock, we don't chase away customers, you know.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
We don't do that. We don't like, hey, we are closing, hey.
Yeah, get out of here. No.
Okay.
Oh, that's a
Customer
good
is
thing.
always number 1 here.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much. Thank
We love seeing the customers.
Okay, so this is new. Dr. Pepper. And you can see, if you look at the price, 299, 300 rand for a pack of 12. So...
That would be super nice.
super nice, yes, I agree with you. That must be super nice. Okay, let's go to the next aisle. Come and have a look here.
What do you find?
I think this is new. It's like a Nescafe Espresso.
So, how they mix it? Just
I've got no idea. Just add to milk and ice. You just add it to milk and ice.
Oh, now I know. So there's just a coffee.
I think so, yeah, for 120 rand. For one bottle. 500 ml.
What is it?
Oh yes, yeah, that's cheap. Take it.
We come here for cheap.
Also 6 rand. 96, 7
I
rand.
got I'm
Let's
gonna
try.
try.
Yes, yeah. Try that one. Try this
What
one.
is it? Black fiber? No,
Cake bar.
strawberry. No, I can't eat.
I can. This one is chocolate with cherry. Okay, I'll try that one. This one is
Like orange.
orange flavor. I'll take that one.
Okay, let's just take two. How much is for the box? Let's just find out.
40 rand.
Oh.
But we want to try the different flavors.
Yeah. I'm just gonna try this one.
Ah,
I want to try.
let's try. Let's try. Almost like a tinky. So this is 64 rand.
What is it? Popcorn.
Cheddar's popcorn. Product of the USA. But you can see it's imported because it's 64 rand. 178 rand.
What is it?
It's like a coffee mix, I guess.
Look like the coffee makes it.
Yeah.
You just
But look at the price. 178 rand.
look here also. Look here. You see that price?
67 rand for this.
Beginning.
Yeah, for this coffee.
What coffee is it?
Beanies.
Beanie.
Beanies. Mr. Bean.
Mr.
Beanies.
Bean. Mini. Okay. What is
Some
it there?
biscuits. 36 rand each.
That's okay.
It looks nice.
Hmm.
But 36 rand. That's it.
But it's gonna be yummy. Yummy, yummy.
80 rand for this.
Also yummy. Like
You see,
cookie.
this is all American brands. You see there? All this is American. Okay, let's go back. I don't see anything special here.
Look at this one, yeah.
Okay, so this is Rice Krispies.
Hmm. How much? 50 rand. What they sell also, yeah. What they call?
Soya sauce. Here's some soya sauce.
This Thai this green curry.
Yes. 25 rand.
Yeah. If you looking for Thai green curry, you can come. I got my this is massaman.
Yellow curry.
Yeah. If
Some
you,
Asian sauces, spices.
if you want to try this,
A lot of soya sauce.
hello. Can I ask you something?
Yes.
You think this shop here better for any shop?
What have you done?
It's the same.
That's why I also said.
It's not any different.
What is it? This one?
35 rand. Quite sure what this is. This is pickled Rick. This is Big Papa. This is What Mama. I think it's like a cucumber. Yeah, I think it's a cucumber.
Hmm.
Hello, how are you?
Alright,
You want to give me a call?
I actually passed through here on Wednesday. I didn't see much of price difference. I was not impressed. And the reason why I'm here now, I'm here for the 8 kg HTH. That's all.
That's it.
Because it's 350 rand, so it's about 100 rands or 90 rands cheaper than a normal price.
Some of the prices are cheap. There are some specials, but not all of it.
Not all of it. I think some of the things on the grocery side, but I'm not interested on grocery. I was
I'm with
looking at your camp chairs.
I'm with you. I'm
The
with you.
pricing, it's not that much of a difference. I was looking at the aircons as well. It's still about 12 grand. I was hoping that you're gonna, if something is on special,
Get it
be
at a
to
better
you
price.
better price.
Yes, yes, yes. Thank you for your honesty.
Thank you
Really
so
appreciate
much.
it.
Bye.
What do you think of Walmart?
It's my first experience with it, so I think it's the prices are fairly good.
Some of the prices.
Yeah, some of the prices from what I've seen on the street. No, I'm just browsing around, but some prices are quite good
Yeah, some of them.
and reasonable.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. Enjoy. Bye.
What do you think about Walmart?
So far it's cool.
Cool prices? Price-wise?
A few items, not all of them.
Yeah, not all of them.
Not all of them.
Some of them are overpriced.
A lot of them are.
Thank you so much. Nate.
Thank you. Bye. Look, we only can
We
buy
bought sweets.
only sweet.
Okay, but we had to buy something at Walmart.
Yeah.
We are only here for the sweets. You can see that there.
We only come here buy sweet.
Oh, just the sweets.
Yeah. We only have money for sweet.
Just sweets.
Okay, so this was our first experience at Walmart here in South Africa. And what do you
Yeah.
think?
For me, it's like any shop.
So I think we had high expectations. So one thing we must remember is that they are still trying to find their place in the market.
Yeah.
So they can only grow from here. And we will definitely come back.
Yeah.
It was a good experience today.
It's good to see.
Good experience. And at least we bought something. Even if
All
it's just
sweet.
sweets, but we bought something at least. Okay, but that's it from us.
Thank you so much for work with us and shopping with us. Thank you.
We'll see you in the next one. Stay safe. Bye-bye.
Bye.